It now gonna look good.
True. I think that every woman will go on vacation and I go places then for work with them own personal item because certain things not supposed to beg as a woman. Certain things woman must always have.
Rosealee, when you go on TikTok, try beg your pad money. Cause it's a disgrace for you walk up and down and beg pad. And you're ageable.
She not get through. That don't want to see woman get through, not too bad man. I don't want to see how about she not get through.
All moral. And me the people that want to see Akeem.
What you say?
And me the people that want to see. If me no go England the show flap. Me them want to see. If me no go England the show flap. Nobody no want to see them. Them fuck on our period. If me no go England the show flap. Nobody no want to see them. Nobody no want to see them. And me the people them want to see me and Akeem. Them not have no name, them not start, them not have no highlight, no nothing. Them want to enough up and a ride wave. But no want to see them. Nobody no want to see them still. Them no go England already. Nobody want to see them. When them they go England, me never see a screen card with them yet. I want them to really go. Check the ratio when me land. And me the people them want to see me. Rosealee them want to see.
Hey girl.
Make me touch a plane and see they tear up. And me auntie for buy ticket.
Clap that.
Huh?
Clap that tea, girl.
So the money are black themselves.
Me dying for see you reach over there. Me dying for see you reach over there. Cause it last time people
nobody don't want to fight still.
She a go this time, man. No top bad man. She a go this time. So I don't want to get that. You don't want to get that from the woman I get you. You no can't know that. You say body go do them papers.
If me no go England, the show can't sell off. Me have to reach for the ticket buyout. Watch. Any other business stamp in my book of morning. I'm say people over the world, them away my banner. England. See it here. Everybody and my auntie, my whole family buy ticket cause England them there. Them can't, them not have nothing. But no one see them in England. Not even them man who have England no one see them a blood.
I will date that party again. February party.
20th of February.
20th. I'm buying a ticket to the England, Rosealee. I go do the live. TikTok boss, Miss Triple, Jaden, Dyema, Akeem.
I mean the people that want to see me. I don't want to see them still. Them still like when I own my chicks and ear catches and it's sour. When everybody say, yeah? Tom bubble gum. Them still. I don't want to see them. I might wave them alright. Nobody don't want to see them. Nobody don't want to see them. Nobody don't want to see them. I mean the people that want to see Akeem. Them never ticket. I mean the party. Jabas, me fix my crown for my head. The party can't start without me. Can't go without me. And can't end without me. But no one see them.
Happy for you all on still. And I want everybody get it.
Nobody don't want to see blood clot them in England. Them still. Remember them go already. Remember when them go England, whenever say a screen card with them. Whenever say a screen card to them did blood clot there. Them are nobody. Them are nobody. Them will never be like that.
Me know when in England, everybody have video y'all about. And I ask you. Bad to bad, sir. Bad to bad, truth. If Rosealee Japan England right now,
if the party promote, not Jabas, if the party promoter want make a bag of cash, make sure me get it. Them all over the world. Them away my banner. Come people, make out on the banner ticket. See ya. Cause me say me get the visa done. So you can see it.
Yeah,
focus straight.
Yo, Shabba, Rosealee I go first time now. Rosealee buy one blood clot booty, one pink one leather one. And then a top fight then make you man get through.
When me I got Jabas, when me I got little Panama, 17,000 people here so watch me I take a flight. And a Panama that. Imagine England.
Remember.
Imagine England. 17,000 people are watch me I take a flight. Imagine England.
We're talking blood clot.
17,000 people are watch me. Imagine me I go England. Them not have nothing for me. Them are not take it to England. If the promoter want a party session, better me get it. Sell off. Them nobody don't want to see them. Them stay like biscuit.
Yeah, I get it, man.
Remember them travel already, them been there and do that, you know. But tell you this, so they travel already and been there and do that, nobody not frightened for sake, I will see already, you steal. Them want some of them, a fresh meat, them want on the market. Them they're all tough turbot. When you have to put rust in there to cook it. But no want to them. Somebody wants to them. Them beat them over here, you see. But no want to them.
Boy, I can't wait for the 28th of February come. Because, boy, make sure you go live, you know, come on, watch it.
Jabba's not even the man when them are England no want to see them much less.
I thought, which man in England?
I don't know. And that's just the truth. If the promoter want a part of myself, I have to try and make sure I get it. All people from America bought them ticket. Come here, tell my friend them say, yo, what goodies. Trust the payment plan. We figure it out. Can't have to come see Rose. The girl them were rep for me from America.
I mean,
And me not curse. Me talk the truth. The girls them were rep for me from America. I have to trust the ticket plan payment plan. We bunged up in our Airbnb. Come to see Rosealee. And my auntie, I have to buy a ticket for everybody. She are all but everybody to see me.
happy for people get visa. I'm happy for people when people get visa. As bad as things don't too bad, man.
And that's why them start the controversy and this because them don't want me get it. But the party can't stop because them steal.
Yeah, I get it, man. I tell you, say I get it.
Them steal. People want to get to buy out the ticket. As my land so.
Do a good debate.
Jabas as my visa land so don't want ticket for buy out for your party. As a ticket land so I don't want pick that for buy out a whole of England fans me have.
By 18th of February, everything is active. Girlie, why you go fully pink? Why you go fully pink, girlie? Pink suitcase.
And me, oh, Jabas, I love as a fear, me and Akeem the people them want to see. Me know a woman will come back mingle with them, they a boom boom blood clap, the woman hug up and cry, and show me and Akeem from IDP, England she come from, them go away.
You can't wear matching clothes.
How we the people them want to see and not them, because them have no charisma, no sparks, no
All that when we chat off no more, don't know if you see Fantastic Four in England and them a go.
There's no Fantastic Four. But me I sell off the party. Because me have charisma and charm. No Fantastic Four in there, so. No girl not tell me say my pussy full of fly, my friend them. No Fantastic Four in there, so. And me and my man Akeem. So we start, that's how it end. I never believe in a Fantastic Four. I never believe in a series. And me just the two of us, me and him. Yeah.
Promoter, if you watch a live promoter, make sure you say your book one apartment different for everybody. Not put them one place.
Yeah, boss, I know to control myself.
Remember me the one, you know.
Yeah, boss, I know to control myself. Chat, long as me get the visa, you have to buy out the ticket. England, no blood clot.
Oh, Lord. England. You don't have to be an artist to get bookings for a show. Your popularity, your alone stand. Because regular music show with artists depend, and I look a regular host or look a TikTok host and them get the biggest forward. Look how much artists go and see a rebellion party and them not get forward. And when the TikTok them touch the stage, them get the biggest forward.
How we are carrying trend now. I said, Jabas, we go boom up England no blood clot. Boom it up. And bad girl, bitch, go buy a ticket. Come here, boom down England.
No, but I say boom down Rosealee, my nephew is all living by me at top of it, you know, girl.
No, like boom it down, like shell it down.
Yeah, but they say that car there where you scream record and send it down and say Rosealee, come England, go boom it down, don't give her no visa. No make them fuck you, do. No say them sitting there.
Shell it, stop.
Yeah.
Because my them one, you don't get here to the what? Bobby don't want serious thing, you know. Bobby serious.
And chat.
What
I that them I work for. And them feel like them have a ticket fee, but them are not nobody. And me are the life of the party. When I go road, people want to see me and take picture with me, and nobody don't want to see them. And them know. And I eat play on them brain and them bad mind, because them tell themselves that them tell themselves that them is that girl. And them big worldwide. The phone day is done. The day is over. Give somebody a chance.
No. You see my party them, bro. My party them always sell off, you know, bro. You see party make you for Rose if you come and you know if you come. Enough people don't the brother say them come out to serious. You normally
exactly.
ram. You normally ram. My party normally ram.
Me not ask. Anyone who got screen card have a take. I bet them got England that's full of screen card. Watch. I bet you know. I mean the people want to see me. I don't want to see them. And Jobas, I said, I got England. I said, I got England, Jobas. I said, this is a part where I keep the area. Me have to come. I'm a woman, I'm going to there. I'm going to drive me.
What do you mean?
Put me down. It's a Swiss party. Me I got a Swiss party. Me in a rain. And so I burst the stage. I want me now want to look a piece of sock camera. But the band Rose.
All the last party I be the city pan Rosealee.
Rosealee. Come and say all road lead to Switzerland.
Yeah, man.
Me say chat.
Rosealee.
From the visa land I'm book. Me say all road leads to Love Affair. Them not have no name. No name them now. Them stay long time like stale bread. Widow and green. Cause them old. You young people are trying to go sit on one side with a tired pussy. Focus chat. You're not kind of tipsy, you know. Sorry for the inconvenience, chat. Me don't quarrel just about it.
You know, it was a mash up about that blood clot, yeah. Yo, me can't even see. All of them fight, you can't tap none of them from going. All of them are going to England. Every one of them, when they fall out, them are going.
All the way.
Oh, you know that. All of them fight. None of them.
Akeem, Jaden, TikTok boss, the two wicked at them, and Triple all the way got England, or sell off the woman party and sell it off. Yeah, all the way got England.
And Dyema too.
No, I said the wicked at them, the Judas them, that she made her.
Oh, I'm going to know.
Look at her. It's every time an England show for come, she's try stop it. She bad mind. She's very bad mind. That's what she do Candy. Every time I with them.
Shit, bro, man.
Even I got the link. Mind you. Every single time. Don't tell me to leave nothing. Mama talk out of my mouth. And the second time she do it, every single time the lady, if you keep party, she want to sabotage it with her fuckery. Don't tell me to leave nothing or someone who go on. Mama talk out of my mouth.
So, as she did a check if he last time when you never get figure?
Yes. Yes. Every time the woman part of it keeps she try to sabotage it. Every single time. Like I shall not forget visa and I shall not forget opportunity. I shall not for fly. Like she had things. Every single time. That's what she do with Candy. Every single time she sabotage the woman party. Every single time. Hello? I'm on live, baby. I'm on live.
I said, a big old opportunity to go foreign and come here.
No, not really. Yeah, you can't pass through.
Be a problem. I mean, there's a party I go big your fuck.
Okay, my baby. Let's stop, man. Alright, my baby.
Because a party there, brother, is viral, you know. A party there, someone to know viral, my party there. We charge 5,000 a day. I'm blood glad. I'm not that idea. I'm the reason to ticket price them.
She can't show all 40 visa. And then she got from England and fuck, she go fuck. Nobody no want to see her. She been there and done that. People want to say fresh people for excitement. She steal. Them a 40 whole heap. They want to say new edition of people. The lady pick her choices wise to promote her party. And she no want people to go. And I full them with negative and bad mind. And she a problem. And so when Candy go, she do the things them. I go all while she do it. I talk out of my mouth. I not buckle up nothing. All the while she do it, I do not expose her. She always do it. So she do Candy. Because she want opportunity for herself alone because she feel like she have things. That not have nothing to do with me.
Alright. No bother, no done. Well, more all I know go and make the look for soon. I chat. I want to hold on no cheer for them, bro. No cheer for them and no post the flyers and something to no repost the flyers we promote.
After she come over here, come talk about, me. No what Jaden got England. And you have contact to the people. And you tell the woman, and you know what the problem go. Don't mix up my name. Don't mix up my name with people. Don't mix up my name. For people get more than me already. But me no want the boy. Don't mix up my name. And you have contact to the people. And you know want the boy go. When you ask me, I said to you that when people get opportunity, don't tell me to leave nothing. Me end this, you know. Not tell me to leave nothing. Let me talk out of my mouth. Because I tell people a lie, yes, so, you know. When you call my phone and said to me, say, the lady I got book Jaden, I said, make sure book him, of course. Send the number to, send her the boy number, because I don't want to look like, say, we are trying to stop the boy from him opportunity. That I said to the little suck, cocky, rotten throat man. Yeah. That I said to the germs. I should come terms it wrong with a liar self. Me a tell you fuck. That I said to her. I said, I'm two with them life. I said, send the boy and I'm going to get the woman. Don't make it look like you're a pussy and you're trying to stop people blessing. And I said to the old blood clot maga dog. That I said to her. And she come tell lie. Of course, I tell her something like Jelly, can troll me and class me too much. I'm tired to give them chance with me. Come here, a real blood clot youth. And me tell her, send the boy and I'm going to get the woman. Don't tell me for calm down. Because the one I want to believe them. That me a pussy. Because stop coming here, you know. Don't tell the life on blood clot me. I see the boy, but because I see the boy, I look on him. I leave them. Because they was Jalen knowing I'm blood clot out of them teeth and them soul. Me. Rosealee never blood clot bad man him for nothing. Him know. That's why I always want to chat to me. Because so no mama come after me. To can pussy me out. When I'm playing first official blood clot match, I mean sit down and play with him. But around about I play the box and I'm ring friends to Rosealee. Me a warm official match up here. I said, Jordan, me a come. But after we get a money gun. I want him collect him gift them, sit down and play. And him collect every line of a tiger for blood clot there. I'm say congrats. Cause suck on the mama. And come after me. No one pussy up me all the blood clot. I'm a real. No blood clot as blood clot jobbers. When I'm wrong, I'm not sit down with you and collect on the blood clot give. But suck on the mama and come here so come tell me no.
Alright, Rosie, you can't do no.
Blood clot flow.
The whole on now go to England, the show go sell off, and I come back on the yard, and I go and do nothing. All I wanna go to England. Me happy for all I wanna.
I them bad mind me.
Good opportunity that then. No, sir. Me can't accept this, sir. Dyema, I forgot add Rose by himself. Me can't take my problem here.
I never for add me. I never for blood clot bad mind me. Never bad mind them for nothing. Stop telling a lie upon me. And you have the woman number to the woman.
No,
I want to say to Mr. Give it. I'm going to come in like, mute you know. I said to the stinking gal, so I'm going to come in like Jaden. That. you I put on the two I deserve the blood clot cake. Even one little piece. And I'm gonna tell you all. I just sit on your platform and tell a lie pan bumbo clot me. I ain't no sweat blood clot go. All I'm gonna keep blood clot silent and hold my blood clot mouth. They that chip, you know. But tell a lie pan me. And me tell her send the number go get the lady. Make the little boy get him apple because everybody deserve it. Cause me have youth, you know. You think no one can accept me, me have youth, you know. And the Bible blood clot tell us say, so the sins of the parents visit them first, second, fourth, and fifth generation. Me no want nobody stop my youth them, so me not stop nobody. This little big pussy fuck up, man, girl, come talk about me, I got your man. Big pussy girl, I'm a visa application, me I got blood clot use. And you me don't want to put Akeem name, I call her ask the name, I take a number. So good girl, me I got your man. Wanna go Wanna go and come off of me. Stinking Dyema. Bleed and can't buy pad. Big pussy girl. Don't not old by fuck. Man now want your old blood clot sagara. All drop down blood and none ambition. We got blood clot man and none. And I know about blood clot toilet and shit in a bucket, bitch. You can't chat about girl boy, yeah? Go suck your mama. Me not argue with the command this one your blood clot from because you man you better man and you bad too. All long time psychopath. You trying to lie upon me. Me have me youth them. And the sins of the parents visit them first, second, and third generation. Big pussy girl. When I said to me, say, the woman want Jen in a blood clot, when I said to you, say, send the blood clot number to the woman. But she look at boy, go away because I don't like him. And that me said to you, rotten throat. Tell a lie upon me. And go away. Now I'm gonna turn this fucking mother shit up, you know. You can't, I constantly bite the bullet. I constantly bite this bitch bullet. I mean, I say, no, I'm not going to that stinking blood clot that all that, yeah. All fuck out. I'm not going to this bitch here, you know. I'm constantly bite the blood clot bullet, you know. I constantly bite it in a chat. But what more can make blood clot taking on me? I just human. When they look a stinking bitch, call me blood clot when I start me say, do man want Jaden for me tell you look a so good girl say, send Jaden number to the lady. She said, adopt me or do Rose. I said, Dyema, me don't want when people get them upper blood clot trinity, it look like say you are pussy. For them have you out of a blood clot pussy wall. Send the number go get the lady. I know that Jaden was coming to England before me even buck up. I should have tell people blood clot. I mean, see me not trouble him and I look on him. I mean, when I'm sung like that, I look up and I say, gone are the days. When that little good boy, when I'm taking him arms, as my little brother. Him could every say run, me say, oh, I. Because somebody rate the dog. I look how gone to. Not even not look upon him. Can I make social media and troll and get to people? And I'm like, do the things them. I mean, avoid him. Me know say my guy England before you even post the blood clot posters. Can me tell you look how so good girl say, send the number of the lady. Stinking Dyema. Can you make a cup over full enough? Me know say my go. Can me tell her send him not go get the lady. And you over blood clot yeah. I tell but oh she never want Jen for blood. Stinking blood clot Dyema. Jake's friend come to me, you call Enhance for come fuck you and him carry him friend. The boy doesn't go into the blood clot Airbnb. Told you fucky. You out there cause the Enhance and him blood clot and Jake's friend come to me. And the nigga said to me say want a petrol money. I'ma give me and say, all is putting in your blood clot because I did that reason. I'ma say later my fam. I Jake's childhood blood clot friend. You over here come talk about how more pay man for kill man. Go suck your mama. No, for sure, because I feel defeated, because I pray like them a tell for me, and I'm talk one whole per story, and it does have, me not even touch the FY, because I say, you know what, this little bitch.
Give me that. Rosie? What's that? Don't know, Rosie, don't know.
Me and Jabas go along the blood clot road already. If me never want chat to Jabas, I could have gone about in years. Me forgive people and move on. I give people chance. Me and Jalen on a blood clot and me tell her send the number go get the lady. And don't try to stop the little boy food. And I'm say to you, so good girl. Never that my blood clot when I ring my phone. Hey, oh yeah, some people that are yo.
Alright, come and play too much and done with that. Come. Run too much.
Don't tell the lie for me.
Bad in my father. First super chat. Calm down, Rosie. Calm down. Calm down, Rosie.
Hey, Jabas, let me tell you, Jabas, the school off, cool off, man.
Alright, do your thing, girl. Boss you up.
Me know how long to
Boss you up, girl. Boss you up. Let you out.
man.
Let you out. Boss it up. Lock it in them then, darling. Can't be shut no more.
The bad mind. And if you're not deal with her, she feel like she's trying to stick to everything. She bad mind. She controlling. You have to go to England, you smarty. You over here talk about big pussy and stink. Tell the people them when the period come 2 blood clot and me for handpad give. I don't know for buy it. We can buy man TV and blood clot fridge. And Christmas up your blood up. If you run garage go buy pack, I don't buy 3 and buy 6 and buy the blood clot does egg girl. You fucking like dog. And buy fuck man why you? You know all and still and ugly.
30
don't ramp with blood clot me.
38 road shot.
With the infection and you want your blood clot throat back.
30.
Like how me name June Dix and him name Nasheen Finley. When the fuck man I don't know them name. You talk about blood clot or be a stinking girl. I thought me I deal with, I mean, I have no body. Me really not have no body. Me not have nobody in the world. Mama hate me like that and them bad mind. And then me send me granny number. Them they must answer. So me give the people them fear something much about Obey man. Obey for what? You just a bleeding, can't breathe, dirty blood clot. You do not text my blood clot for them over here. A blood clot class, me do not text them. And me mash up the phone, you know. Oh, don't text me. Blood clot, man. You know why nobody texts me. Enough is enough. Triple chat. Dan Rosealee, Dan. I pussy stink flat. I don't know what I did. It's got blood clot germs that class me. For what reason? Cause you tell me say the boy no want me decide that he me has walk ride with straight. Cause you can't tell me nothing. Cause remember you fuck man when you don't know them name. And that cause argument, you know. She want for blood clot tell me say Akeem no want me. And me decide say me I ride with the boy straight till when me say never. And I eat one her. What do you fuck Willie and no Willie blood clot name? Me tell her don't fuck him. When I said money go give blood clot Willie woman. And him say, I'm telling him I send it in a blood clot, give him because suck your mama. And I tell him what to do. Charms. Because Akeem no want me, I will never blood clot want you. And your English never want you neither. I pay a little blood clot, little young boy on the walk and blood clot fuck. You know the rocker me baby, you know pussy. You know all long time jump and pussy we can't have no grip. Go breed. Now the young boy no want no old saga we can't give him a BABY. Cause for the blood clot period a pink. Stay up on social media, go buy a man fridge stove, washing machine and things. You gotta take care of your mad blood clot, brother. We have schizophrenia. Come on, this one near blood clot family. Don't make me start and unleash on a stinking blood clot over here. It's all I'm saying. I'm in blood clot. I don't have a pussy clot mouth. I wanna fuck with me. Don't come out of character, you know. Oh, a long time when I come throw blood clot jobs at me, you know. I mean, I hold my blood clot cool, you know. Run, you tell your mama. Or your mama blood clot, you can your sister them now look for you to you love blood clot chat. You show me how the mama and festa up. Cause so a girl. Don't want nobody call me. Cause them still over here done me and I come to about when me sit on fly take me. Me don't want nobody call me. Me not validate my feelings. Somebody could have wonder and sit down and think, oh, Rose feeling all of this. So Nikki, me have more to lose. Me still gonna be class me or flyer take me. No me ask you Nikki before my black here, you know. Me ask you, you know, before my black your blood cut over my page, you know. Come on, if you take me an idiot. Some people sit down and not, oh, me I go feel. When I'm still on class, me me still on flyer take me. Like me a mascot. And them not smell good like me. Cause them fuck out. Me never see my period and call a boy for sleep with me yet. I'm me witness them people say them period just done. And them call man for come fuck out them all. Nastiness. I'm talking about Rosie. Oh, you know, me say I see period like me a mascot. I fuck like a fuck. Nobody not care about me how me feel. Care about me how my blood clot feel and value how my blood clot feel. Me not feel it so me not human, me not blood run through blood clot me. Why me have some look, you know what bun me I what class me bun me cause damn in a class. Cause I'm a dancer turn to mattress. Cocky brush them teeth. They were put in a veneer, everybody fuck them. And that bun me. Chink. I cause chink, I cause blood clot. Wet up dead. But then want to sit down and second like, you never know fair tell me like when you have me a drive up and blood clot round and round and round. So good, bitch. Baby germs in a throat back. I get kind of ignorant, you know, I get kind of blood clot ignorant. I get kind of manifest, you know. I get kind of ignorant. Every time I go turn on my TV. I said this blood clot, dirty, stinking people come round you, look your cloth, ride the wave, ride the rim, and turn back, come this year. I'm for sit down and allow it, coming have no feelings. Every day come on social media, boy, I'm going to tap, hey. No man not stay with them because I'm a big pussy. You know what blood clot, you know what blood, let me show you where blood clot really takes me as a man. We fuck out our big pussy. I remember this our man. See the name, yeah. Willie. See our man, yeah? This our blood clot, man. Good day, you doing amazing. Don't give up the internet. Nothing to run with. Hey, I really show the blood clot. Now, Amanda, cause them are crosses. Everything you want, mash up. If you don't make the money, so you're gonna disappear your blood clot. Say, we are texted from afar. Me not do the bitch, none of that burn me. Cause two shot them say Akeem now I'm not blood clot now I know for the soul long time all fuckies. Now care what somebody blood clot but I'm not give up. Cause me who like him. And that one the so good girl. Hey, you know go on wanna go come. Hey, you know go on wanna go come after this, you know. Just That was not gonna go in.
Anything I do, Rosie, I saw you go. And take it easy, you know. Yeah, man, just go on all I made, man. Go and run through, man. I saw you go. I tell you. Thank you for your donut, darling.
She bad mind. She hate me and Akeem no blood clot. But if you come on social media, come talk about all the boy no want me, the boy you trying to need the blood clot, boss. And you want to keep on and say, oh sister, you hate the boy like poison. You hate him like poison. Oh, Akeem no want was him full of peer girl. You hate the boy. That's what me want blood clot tell the world. Stinking bitch, stop about your relationship. Me I wait for you talking about why you're maga down. Oh, germs carrier. She the boy like poison.
Oh, God almighty. Naturally nice, thank you.
I want to get the boy like blood clot poison. She poison figure it out with a blood clot fridge and a TV. A corruption she use. A mind game. A manipulation. With a blood clot fridge and a TV. I wash some clothes and cook some food. Kind of big pussy girl, woman don't know if I'm nowhere. Couldn't make one blood, you know, used to know. Make one blood clot TV I want for me. This is my blood clot friend. Woman know for years. And that him do all me a stick by that me a lick in a blood clot. One fridge and one blood clot TV take on over. See you hungry. You know remember, hey, you know remember dark up over here, you know. Oh. Lick in a blood clot.
Oh, me fit tell her if you done. Make she speak her mind what she feel, bro. I'm gonna tell her if you done for. Woman want to speak her mind, she speak her mind. Who is
Oh,
me?
I see that one fridge on a blood clot TV.
You can't tell her if you done. She speak her mind.
No,
She
I
speak her
don't can't tell
mind.
me that my dark, you know.
Me not busy with you,
Come here,
darling.
cup
Do your
over full, you
best.
know.
Do your best, darling. I don't busy with you. Do your best. I say.
You want to long and blood clot tell me big 32-year
First triple chat.
big 32-year-old blood clot woman.
First
Say
triple.
boy
They
no
don't have
want
money
me.
gun to
And
you.
when me a blood clot
That's
move,
true.
me jabas cause sometimes no me not buckle up nothing, you know. Cause this me a talk about me slung and back. Me blood nice. You tell the boy show me. It money like 12, you cannot get that. I want you to cut all batty. You don't get that. I own shit good. You know some shit good. You need to buy fucking a blood clot. I remember I said blood clot will it take how much in $1,000 from blood clot you. Oh. I'm tired of tired. I'm tired of tired. I'm tired of tired. You want to run me to wreck. Come back, I'm not fight up. I'm weak. All blood clot, man. All blood clot shrivel up place. Man no can buy pad. We no come tell them so when they made their blood clot here and I'm going to $1,000 my blood clot spend. Cause I don't want to kind of ace in a blood clot today. I don't want to ride my blood clot with, cause I don't want to live off a blood clot me. Come tell the people them blood clot like I is. Come tell the people them blood clot like I is. I'm tired of uno. If a blood clot. The first year blood pad, you know. And the second blood clot time, you know. And Christmas when you ask to your blood, if you run guy, you don't buy pad. Germs. Anytime me go around, I have a blood clot get the food bill. Stinking girl. Egg girl. Bitch. Now get my blood clot. I'm tired of uno. Come off of me. Avoid my blood clot. It's all on me I hold this blood clot in. I'm going to tell you pressure bus pipe, you know. It's all on me where I hold this blood clot. And I hold it, keep it the blood clot together. Alright. Man no want me, man no want yo, you buy fuck na blood clot. You go up a Artwell and buy the whole upper Artwell and slung the ball. This is that Christmas gift and your blood clot money by it. Stinking girl. For look good name, go suck your blood clot mama one way a festa up. Madness running a year from the come your brother blood clot mad. You don't want to come around, girl, for the flag when you can't know my business. Stinking blood clot, girl. Come tell them say eat Akeem like poison. And you have them say I'm not blood clot one, I'm not look. Make a start, let's come and do nothing at all. Look at the boy blood clot, okay, the one the boy for fuck you. I'm gonna apologize to my supporter one of these days. My supporting them, I apologize. I can't take it. I can't take it no more. 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 No more of it. No more. No more. No more. Blood clot. I can't take it no more. Can't take it no more. Where me buy fly up your blood clot pussy Dyema? I want to fly up your blood clot, a lad wicked blood clot stinking girl. Come tell them say me give you pad. When we are traveling blood clot Airbnb and me pay how much $1,000 for Airbnb. I want to spend $80,000 to buy food. Every time we go up on the road and me get the food bill. And me pay $1,000 for Airbnb, $800. $1,000 for Airbnb, $800 for Airbnb if you come on the AC on the blood clot. You're a girl. Bitch. I want to reach the third Airbnb, I decide to not get it. You start put one little choppings past it. Pan it. I'm not grateful. I ride my blood clot over here. You stinking man want to come this girl boy, you know. You not somebody. Big pussy girl when you have ball 2 minutes to me say stamp come take with your blood clot shop and nobody now look for your gear dollar you know make no money. I'm a worker to take 5 bucks and buy back some clothes put in your blood clot place. Stinking girl. You ever come talk about flyer take your mama. You know have bad throat and the last time your blood clot got private doctor. Your man come tell him it's a hospital they never like it. Cause infection I dig out your throat back. Go tell the people them say, oh, your videos them want brush. Na blood, hey, woman. You can't tell me, boy, my pussy stink. You have a good pussy. Remember, Willie fuck you and duck you. The English now use a man make your maga down. Man. And the germs them we are carry make your maga down. Can no look a young boy no want blood clot. You walk a rock cradle in a blood clot. No look a young boy no way you walk on blood clot rock cradle. Because if you're a big woman, your shape good yes, but your face old and you broke. You broke. You walk on blood clot rock cradle in a blood clot. Cause Akeem me the one for fuck you. Cause you can say, I'm gonna ship good, me a ship good. Your pussy big, the boy not stay with you. So fully fuck you and duck you. The English now look. You call out enhance come blood clot fuck you up at the Airbnb. The boy doesn't enter the blood clot Airbnb. Come with him friend, bitch. You call out man come sleep with her. Come fuck out your old. The period just done. And you wipe it out and go fuck out of your blood clot old bitch. No ramp with me. You come play the vital and figure it out to me a sick him stomach no blood clot. And that's if you play. Man, why you? The boy classify me, I got blood clot, maybe I classify, maybe come back a king. So figure it out why you. Figure it out say you want hopeless dirty big old man. Come tell the people them that. Man no want me and them no want you. You got me. Cause you when me and my boy, I come strong and so I look like a blood clot. Dan. You grudge me for that. Cause but me not shape like you. And the boy show you same want me. I'm wondering what blood clot more can I blood clot take about these the bitch ya. Because clearly me can see a bad mind, jealousy and envy. Me not trouble you come here chat with your class, big stinking girl you go and you carry on with the blood clot I'ma leave you. You come out with you know you talk, oh flyer take your car, I'ma bite the bullet. And every day you come, every day you come. Dyema, you not shaking for me, Dyema. Dyema, you not shaking for me. The first Airbnb, my blood current at $1,100 I pay. And you buy $80,000 worth of food and check $11,000 to $80,000 how much money that. The second Airbnb I rent at $800. So I almost pay almost $2,000 an Airbnb only buy $80,000 worth of food. When I go up on the road, I buy a gas, I buy a this, I buy a blood clot. But as I have my friend, everybody on yam. Everybody come on and yam and I beg on yam. I'm have you as my blood clot friend. And you have me up and look at the pin them gone and you have me back and I say, you know, I'm not come for me, I get too tame now. Fuck that. More ungrateful like how Uno ungrateful. More ungrateful like how Uno ungrateful. Sometimes if I play the ungrateful, I'm tired of Uno. That man not take no set pan blood clot me. Man no want me, man no want you. All when you look a bit and go, sir. Cause the boy in England don't want you. Your fuck man them go to prison. Your fuck man them dead. Your fuck man and them salt. Your fucking boy will fucking up. None of your ex them no want you for fuck. None. Cause you salt like extra beach. With be a course salt behind it. Somebody want your all long time sagara. Damn your pussy bung up like blood clot toilet. Your pussy bung up and your throat back bung up no blood clot. That's why infection take it. You know some me all witch with the blood clot boom. All of it's like to be blood clot flying. Stinking girl, rotten throat, dirty big woman. Me that Airbnb I say period, I give you a party. Me that Airbnb I say period, I have to give you a party. The second time I give you a pad again, Christmas your period come down for you in the pajama. You don't have no pad. You don't buy pad. So you can buy man chain, TV, and fridge and can't buy pad. Go buy a pad. You live off of me in a blood clot. I me stop it. I go home. I decide I'm not paying no more blood clot Airbnb. Come tell the internet that the two brothers them want to fuck you. Come tell the internet that the two brothers them want for blood clot fuck you. Come tell them that the two of them want to fuck you and their big pussy. And you like rap blood clot Kirkle or Sagara. Old man. Take out the filter when we are trace. When the blame say two blood clot. Tell me when you see two blood clot jar them drop say a pussy ton drop. Come tell the internet that the two look boy them have to fuck out your big pussy. Come tell the internet. The boy there, you over Phoenix, over the yard. And the boy around look a joke and say, you know something. Of course, if me and Dyema don't say no, that fuck you take it in a context. You want a two brother them for blood clot fuck you. You can't make me feel now when me are done. And me a fix my crown for my blood clot. That me you don't know nothing about me. Cause me on a rock blood clot cradle. On a rock cradle. Me never have a molesting charge. Go look for the little boy where you charge for molesting him at 19. I pay a little pitney you try for fucking a big wall. Release the people them boy pin. Go look at age group. You don't tie for rap blood clot cradle. I pay a little boy you fucker you old long time still blood clot girl. We're gonna find go take off the X factor for your so. Come tell people what you're gonna you not eat. Man, this one here from the color brother man. You not eat food, Dyema pour down in your man ice. You can't put on weight. People name in your blood clot belly. Man no want me, man no want you. But that if you play the recording and figure it out. But that if you play the recording and figure it out, say me and you stick him stomach no blood clot. Figure it out, eat yo. Come talk it. I ain't a me and Akeem business, you know, talk or figure it out. Eat your old long time sad pussy dirty blood clot. From the boy fuck you not now go and film on TikTok. From the boy fuck you not diamonds now clock. Are you a fiaspen from the boy fuck you? No more diamonds now clock. Can you wash clothes, and you cook, and you clean, and you take cocky in your bum and boy don't want blood clot you. Can you make me hear the recording when you record the back and you like walk and record people? All the boys say me, you and Rose sick my blood clot stomach. And so I know you're Judas a long time. I have your ass. I buy my blood clot vape. When I do a shark party, I take it from me and wipe off the blood clot. But damn me, you can't sky me because I want to lick out batty. Because I fuck English and English like when them batty lick out. Damn me, lick out all blood clot by the dance and mattress. Dirty big woman. Marga out like you want Lampile and calming or some SSSSB tonic. Combo blood clot me rotten pussy. Woman a fucking her period and can't buy a pan. You walk and search young boy for fucking a blood clot. The boy them do work and you're old. Go and look your age blood clot group. Stop bury a long time big pussy long pussy tongue on the young boy them. Go look your age blood clot group. And two brother you want for fuck you. You want two brother for fuck you. You like Akeem and you want to figure it out. Two of them you want to fuck you. Two of them you want to fuck you. One time, two of them you want to fuck you. And you don't have any money. Two of them you want to fuck you and you're big stinking pussy. Rotten old Dyema. Can't breathe Dyema. Dyema have the sickness when she can't blood clot breathe. You must come blood clot but I'm tired of pussy clot. Yeah! Tired of you. You know something about blood clot me. I'm fruitful and vineful. My fruitful and bindful. Remember my mind, you know. Remember Dyema me a girl will mind you. You don't walk with money. You don't walk with cab, never have money yet. And you will come trace me. You have to send me back my 500. And you owe me 10 more thousand so good girl send it come top. You know you have nothing for me a blood clot. Big pussy girl I could have take by the Airbnb money out to you. I'm stab it and take it out of you. That's some ignorant fool, you know. Because when you double cross blood clot me. Come round me. Pretend like when I blood clot friend, you can't tell me nothing. If a boy don't want me, me want him. And that's to cause a problem. Because you tell me, say, Akeem don't want me. I don't want to hear from me because I figure it out don't want you either. Some man don't want the two of we. I want a little bit like needle. And your body big so your breast them a shoot. And I eat him at you. I eat make your man go because when you fuck the boy and suck him with him, don't want. Yo! Come tell TikTok that. Me and our bedroom set argument. I'm telling you what I want, and you know not about me. When me and boy go buy a bedroom set, him have the receipt, ask him. You can't know my business. I tell you what you want here. I realize that you're Judas. So I tell him, I fix that story, girl. Stinking girl. Your breast them little so, like needle, pint of their body big. Why not stay with you? Look how Willie fuck you and duck you. Look how the English just stick you out of England and say, move. Your pussy don't have any grip. Big pussy Dyema. Long time stretch out old binding where you're dirty old man. You're ugly. Take off the filter. Make us so you're ugly. Take off the filter. Me a girl can go on road without makeup. Don't think me ever shape but I can't spin around. Yeah, spin so. Face clad never decline. You cock up and a fling up. You fuck on all period. Me, witness. Steve come fuck up on your period. Me witness Steve will have a closed door. If you lock up in the house with him, you have to pee. You see him say you have to see period. You come fuck the boy for your period. Me witness you lock up in a house with him and him fuck out your whole come here in there moon. You fuck boy for your period. You nasty woman. Wanna buy pad. You know buy pad. And me the one live off a pan. In a real life vampire, I say nope. That means I secure all me the panty that I not play the match with you. How you can't live off of me? Who me want to use me. You could use me like burn you. Me no want you tell me Akeem no want me a blood clot. Cause figure it out don't want you either. Cause when him over here talk about who have your back, me hear recording when him say you're sick in blood clot stomach. Me can always sick in stomach when come here and him not deal. But you play recording when him tell you say you Dyema sick in blood clot stomach. And you walk this blood clot big woman. Cross his salt bag. Big pussy big wall. Tired of you. I'm tired of blood clot. You come on blood clot, girl. All the while I do it. You come on blood clot, girl. And friend them, I want to come class. Girl, me don't know nothing about blood clot me. You don't know nothing about blood clot me. You're bad mind. It's all the blood clot story about boom boom. You know how you talk it. And them terms it. Cause me alone. And me alone. Stop there. You start the argument in a bitch. Big pussy girl, you start the argument and you long you want left the Fantastic Four and you not make no money. That's why you pick the argument. A long time you want left the Fantastic Four. A long time you want to run your blood clot because when you do the things them don't want you. And you want left the Fantastic Four. So you start the argument. Big pussy girl and me and you alone so that they'll make boom the $10,000. And when me hear the argument from TikTok, me know it come out of your mouth and you sell the blood clot story. You can't trick me. You eat Akeem like pies because I don't want you for fuck. And your worst I eat figure to come fuck you and don't want you. Yeah. Because you know Dyema is the worst thing about it. When you move, and the boy move me. Now when you move, nobody not look on you. And you burn you. When the boy will hug me up and kiss me up and ramp with me, you not take that. You're not getting that. Remember, you cried to me. I said, Rose. Like I say, Akeem ramp with me. Like I say, Akeem ramp with you and the things. I'm figuring out now ramp with me. So you know, you got to grudge me for. Because the boy now getting a love and affection. Wash clothes, cook food, cash out money, and take class in. That's your blood clot good for. Come talk. Wash clothes, cook food, and take class in. And that's your good for. And cash out money. Don't know where the boy at about him have your back. At you cash out him when I can buy him a fridge and one TV. Him rent food you have to pay it. I'm a man goon. Man mascot. One fuck licking on the blood clot. I'm silly and dizzy. Don't ramp with blood clot me. The boy ain't use me. Me and the boy I make money for you. I'm supposed to hold on for him. Stinking Dyema that my blood clot tell you. Me say bitch. I when Akeem no want me and I make money for you, I'm supposed to grab and pan blood clot him. When the boy come on me, he make me feel like I'm done in a real life. The boy show me same care, you see that too. And I eat cast the argument, bad mind. Cause one man want one girl and the pure man no want you. Yeah. It cast the argument. Cause my man when you say no want me, him show me say want me, him not tell me, him show me it. And your man no fuck you don't want you. Cause I figure it out, fuck out your order, your chuck back and don't want you. Cause I'm telling you, say you walk this, you kill is a big woman. Him say you salt for big woman. Him say you broke for big woman. Him say you sick him stomach for big woman. Come talk it. Come talk it. Are you me a weapon for come talk it? You talk everything but you leave it. You notice you're in my business, you not talk your own. Talk your business. Talk your blood clot business. Thinking blood clot, girl. You have no blood clot recording. Come tell the blood clot people them say, you tell me so Akeem so I'm buy much on a beg fuck. I'm gonna say, hey. What you mean by me buy much on a beg your blood clot fuck? Oh that go. I'm saying, you know, I said Dyema say so. Or them call the man, you say a lie. When them send the vice recording and call the man, you say a lie, you not go so. And them take vice back and say, stop tell lie for my people them. Him come back and say, stop tell lie for my people them. Me no want you tell me nothing a blood clot and you hate me. Kawa, to me shape, but I'm gonna have your shape. The boy has shown me the attention when me deserve and you not get it. And that bad mind you for. Akeem could never blood clot give me nothing. I come over here, I rank, I have my local change, can buy one more. Akeem could never do me nothing. But him show me, where him show me, I don't know what figure it out show you, and it get you mad. Come tell TikTok, say, you still on a clue clocks my brain boy, the boy. And I tell me, say the boy no want me, and you me not, you don't want to hear it no more, it make you mad. That if I tell TikTok, we not hold it in no more. You still on a brainwash my boy Akeem because you don't like him. You not like him for me, you want him for fuck you. So you still on a clue clocks my brain. And I tell me, say, boy, no blood clot want me. For me get rid of him. For you want to figure it out can prosper by you. And that's your work for you. You been a work for it. Can you care figure it out class you're still running back. Tell the people them that. The boy angry you. The boy angry you blood clot. Oh, Rosealee, Rose me go done. Rose, what this here? Rose me go done because I can't take it no more. Rose me go done. Rose me go done with them. Them I use that baby. I'm saying I'm a chick face. I can't say the boy I use me. I pity them get take where the boy is there. But they run a civil garden station. I'm never ring the boy phone. But pity them get take where the boy black man name is there. No, me I go down to some detail, you know. I go down to some detail, Dyema. We will know when people want people. I'm gonna have 40 blood clot. I'm gonna tell them know when boy want me. Cheering daddy. It must lead up to something. Me and boy vex. Boy block me off him phone. Boy ring my phone. I say hello. Cause I'm go for answer. I see no man go for answer. I say, what the blood clot you come for? You not block my phone. You not block me. Our present of mine say Rosealee. Soft answer turn away rot. Me tired of uno. Me tired of uno. Supporter, sorry, me tired of them. Hello? You say hello. You been them gone for through, me say, yeah. Me there gate. I remember when the boy called me and tell me say I'm there, I'm blood. Me tired of uno, you know. Me not even tell him sorry, me tired of uno. Me not come, oh, Akeem, sorry, me tired of them. The one of them come use me and diss me. Me not say tell me. I'm not about Akeem, sorry. Me tired of blood clot. Them come me. Can't sit down and take so much blood clot push up on my brains. The boy carrying my blood clot phone. Breathe, Rosealee, me a breathe. Me outside. But so what the blood clot Akeem do ya? Remember I know in them the blood clot time they know. Me have my relation blood clot ship. So, me having my relationship, me just sit there with my baby father. Him black me and say him done with me. Oh, you reach on me yard. No, me ask someone to suck cock over here, you know, I tell me say the boy no want me. Me this still in my relationship. If me no want a girl and she still have her mom, make a girl go start to train her business. What the fuck me I go itch up? Why me I go left my I go itch up around her? For try to help her then. Tell me now, no. Tell me now, cause I keep and I tell me say the boy no want me, you know. I'm a keep and I looking to do things so I can't tell me blood clot nothing. Make him no want me. The boy left him yard him alone. Come risk all him life cause I know nobody I see you. Come. I say Rose want to you. I say boy I keep me stressed out. Him say me I try to fix things for you. Remember I know, me still have my man, you know. And I'm inbreed me, you know. Remember I know Shanchan and Barbara is not for Akeem, him not for come. Why you come? Because you care. The next blood clot man, why you drive me go court. The boy got drive me go court. Can I go to princess I get to one close because the two blood clot shot. Bend down, because I don't want to flip flops, but bend down and wipe off the white off and eat my blood. I say, babes, your foot white, I'm wipe it off. Then I'm going to suck out your mama. The one where you're on a strip, because I don't know what kind of disease she have. Remember you show me it. Because you chat all your mama too. I say you love clip. We got quote on every these things. We got quote and we got these places. Everywhere we go. That Ghana one blood clot. Put that aside. My mama locked me up on a station. Police come for me. No call police for me. And mama come for me. Me say, mama text him stop him say me outside. Me frightened. Cause I'm left in my yard where I live at Port Marita Seaview. I'm there station and I don't know. If you never want me, what am I do there? You couldn't want clothes, so if me don't want a blood clot, I mean I left my yard in a hours a blood clot and I drive come down because see if it's a dangerous blood clot place. If me don't want a girl, me not left my blood clot. Me not hear someone to her just broke my neck run come. Me have to care. The boy have to care if even 1%. And that me tell myself, leave him at me and him blood clot flow and go blood clot start out. You want figure it blood clot out. When they a doctor, him say they a hospital and I look clout after your blood clot name for beg. And the infection and them the whole I saw. That if you come tell the blood clot people him. Come on all and have infection. Talk too much dirty wood man. Come on, when they Airbnb, all type of man you can't for fuck you. Come tell the internet why you're maga. Only a young boy fuck out your hole and don't want you. When I tell you call all enhance the blood clot, okay, the boy come with him friend. And don't even enter the blood clot. Me say watch all this a careless big man here. Me laughing in my mind after your dime because I don't want. You know go look on the age group. I pay look at 19, 20, 18, look at young boy no want for fuck on a deep Pacific Ocean on our walk with. As cocky dropping go boop. Your body look good, but your whole makeup can help you. You want to rejuvenate up yourself. Your age in your face is a old, long time sepulchre close castic when you dead chancro. I not ramp do no. You come to about rat back my toe. Rat back my toe, age them after all of your blood clot. If you want to be so young, you cannot be so young. Because plastic surgery can do pan body, but plastic surgery can do pan blood clot face. The time you take a come over Twitter, come tell people, oh, Akeem no want come tap or figure it out angle like a piece of shit. I don't think you can do a wash him and him blood clot friend close, cook some food and cash out money. And him tell you say you want walk list 30 blood clot, big man. Me in a blood clot money story. Everybody the boy want piece of clothes you talk. Come tell them say, oh, you're saying I figure it out more nasty. Blood clot, you want to it when him asleep, bitch. Avoid my blood clot him. Come on, I'm gonna make you sit down and class me, because you want on a class. Girl, what baby, my pad can't class me. Sorry. If I walk with pad, you see your first period on a pad. What do you want Airbnb on a pad? And at Christmas, when the period come to put your blood up, the whole of the blood clot pajama, you have to jump in your car and buy a pack of pad. Man supposed to chat me. Boy, I'm not supposed to want me. Me and the boy figure that out. You want the boy, two of them for fuck you. That's your work for. How when you done fuck when you can jump on to the next and give them the disease where you carry me. The disease where you walk and carry newborn and born and receive blood clot born. One disease and germs blood clot carrier. You can't tell me say me think you have 40 man and fuck you. Figure out what I fuck you. Steven I fuck you. You don't want enhance the blood clot fuck you. You meet one look away if you just walk and fuck down the whole of blood clot Jamaica. I want a guy friend and fuck out the whole of friend. I want a guy UK go fuck out the whole of blood clot. He's a fuck to Lulu, fuck to fuck pipe, and a man not stay with you. Because you don't have no money, your body look good and you don't have no money, you're old. Body looking good with a big bumper don't mean nothing. He's a piece of shit. And you're loud and annoying and disgusting and more think rotten veneers. Remember the last time me go up the people in place, you ask Akeem, I want to brush the thinking veneers the mouth of your dirty blood clot mouth. Go buy pad, Dyema. Go buy pad. You're over your class, Rosealee. I remember so when you see a pad and you have to give you a pad, I say, here's a pad. Rosie, you don't over the pad, me say, go buy a pad. You don't walk with sanitary pad. Me when me go to woman, me buy at least 4 pack, and me know me see. Which bitch we are see them period that beg me party and class me. You have to learn for always have that is a duty that you see. The long time still woman we are see the pink water we can't breathe. Your ovaries them sick. They have been rejuvenating and have too much blood clot. 44 are not breathing. 44-year-old and can't have a blood clot, baby. Your ovaries sick. One sicky rat. Dancehall mattress. Dancehall mattress. Your bad man, the girl in a dancehall. And you want bad man me for TikTok. You can never be the queen on you. You're old. Hey, this is a number about a frequent, but you're old. Old, long time, Abba, Saga, and Morel. Contaminated blood clot, but you water that your blood clot be. You're old. You're bad man. Me, for the little boy, we are fishermen. Because you come, oh, the boy now fuck her be a big batty girl, the boy have. Figure to the fuck you until you say you sick him stomach. You played for recording. Come tell the people them that. Man, I fuck you angry like dog. Go on housemaid. Wash, cook, clean and tidy and still get angle. The boy can't enter my door and angle me. He said if Akeem the angle me, I have to leave. Come, I couldn't deal with Jakes and angle me and come take Akeem or double angle me. No boy, no want you. Willie tell me, text my phone and say, Rosealee, you're doing that great job. Don't get them nothing wrong with it. I can't take it no more now. I'm Willie. Because I know Dyema's a destruction. Dyema, when you fuck Willie, you send Willie woman money for my name, you know. When him say I'm sister. I saw low you go for buy wood. Dyema, you ship where you buy wood. Tap buy wood. Tap buy wood. Or you buy wood. Remember, you know, when I tell Sophia said, me buy the 2 phone and get Akeem and I never, at the next way around, you buy the chain them up at R12. And get figure it out for Christmas. When Christmas come, I see the blood clad chain them. You know why you buy them? Common sense tell me. As figure it out wrong 500, you have to cash it out the same day and give me your money spend. You spend it for look hype. You want outshine me. And you couldn't do it. You buy every blood clad thing. You buy everything. The boy now give you a blood clot dollar. Come tell the people in blood clot say. You saw me and Akeem start this? It was real. Real. So when you figure it's a dime text and say Dyema, me follow behind a Rose and Akeem shadow and create something. Remember work, we are work. Dyema, if me don't play a blood clot game, I'm gonna tell figure if you kiss a clear it out now. So boys can't a real blood clot life. 2 blood clot videos carry stinking mouth. Teeth white and brush harsh. The boy not kiss you up. My son of the picnic and see your face say you're uneasy and happy. The boy no want you. You show the world that you do the picnic what they are. The boy say you're sick in blood clot stomach. Long time shit in a bucket. Nasty blood clot. Miss come here. I'm not done with you yet. Dyema say me got boy yard. I'm a burst boy toilet and I say boy I live but the rest of that me don't want him. I not fuck no boy where I live rest of that me. And you got a man yard, that's the man. You got a man yard. I said no man don't have a toilet until you want fuck or you want man, you shit in a blood clot pan. When me got a boy yard, look avoid me coming out playing a match. Me tired of them. You know, man, on a money time. Supporting team, me tired of them, me tired. So me got a boy yard, me couldn't go a boy yard, I said boy and have a blood clot toilet. And fuck him. You walk this girl. No class. Dancehall fraternity fuck you out. Dyema will need a big pussy vagina. Stab it out with ice prick. You don't have no pussy left and shy boas. Yeah, shy boas blood clot Dyema. And swallow the wrong cocky juice and it left the infection in your throat and rotten out your blood clot mode. You will come tell me about my pussy you got like a for rotten throat. You will come tell me about fly take my pussy and you got like a rotten blood clot throat if you got. So now Christmas they got like a rotten blood clot throat. Rotten throat or throat a rotten out. Mouth a stink if you got. You don't take a medication blood clot. I know I'm not going for the fly them, you know, I try black. I send back for my fly, it's a black. You forgot what they got as if you're rotten throat. Bad sperms, nyam up your soul. All long time rocket. Never breed. You broke. What substance you have to give to my 25-year-old son? Bury your old long time, still fuck out pussy fan. Him not get a rejuvenate body. Him not get a old long time well. What dry up kind of water around cause a long time dead. From stable was a blood clot abolish. Stinking blood clot. Old sad bitch. Man want you. You so long a talk about Akeem now want me. Figure it out want you. Willie want you. The foreigner didn't want you. Enhance want you. Mansa didn't want you. No man no want you. Your Rasta didn't want you. No man no want you. No man no want you when a body cock up. No man no want you that bun you. Tell the people them say the reason why your maga don't kind of man no want you. And the paper you bring and you say, look how my shape going on a man no want me. I burn you. Go buy a when you walk and buy a man go seek God in your big pussy. Put your pussy over a Bible and pray, Dyema. No man nah stay with you. Good pussy define good shape. Good word define blood clot good shape. Man no fuck me a man no want me a man fuck you and don't want you. So who in a better position? Me tired of you. Me not crashing out, me tired of you. To come about me, man no want you. Man no want you. I hope a boy fuck you now why you stinking pussy. No, you big hole, rotten castle, rotten button. You was a long time. 6 years from now you're 50. Go look at your age group. No, you are a young boy. If you fuck you. At 6 months you don't fuck a lie. Remember you and Stevie wrap up in a bed. 3 months ago lie. Maybe you descend for Anand, but you 3 too old him not fuck you lie. Remember figure it out fuck out your wall of your choke back. And when him class you're mad out because you can't believe the boy fuck you not angry like a dog shit. No, man I done with him. Figure it out. Cause the boy fuck you and don't want you. It's evident. It's only when a boy fuck you and don't want you, it's evident. Damn man, the real blood clot truth here, you know. When I come out, so no compression for me, I figure it out now using it, you come across me, you know. You do it all the time. When figure it out now use you cost me him and Akeem. Figure it out now use when you're them friend back you good. And that's how we do all the while. Remember a regular, me and Akeem just come off of the road, you can't tell me about your problem them. And you a ball to me. Me never ball to you yet. Me can't hold my composure. Me never see a company internet come say, boy, from Rosealee, Akeem she move. From Rosealee, Akeem she buy one car. From Rosealee, Akeem my life a change around. From Rosealee, Akeem she calm. From Rosealee, Akeem our life a change. Me never hear come tell them that. It's all about the boy no want. Warm to the goodness what the boy do for me. Me ask you, warm to the goodness what the boy do. What me say? What me can't tell him say I appreciate it and it's very fucking amazing. What me tired of only from last year till now. Me not hold it no more. Suck no more. Warm to the goodness what the blood clot boy do. It fit me like it. Him a pretend that it me want. Because me don't want a boy fuck me and don't want. That's the worstest thing that. I breed me and I look. Want to the goodness of the boy do. Yeah, you tell the people them Sunday when you move Dyema, nobody help you. It was all about Rose. No one about the seminar request coming out doing a blood cut in the box. When you move Dyema, it was all about Rose. Him and them friend them come, them put in the settee, them put on the carpet, them put up everything. Come to the house just like what it is. They did all of it. And that mad you. That mad you, cause it's Akeem is a man who like talking or action speak louder than word. And when you are move, when you are blood clot move, me and me to offer you, me and you meet to offer by your furniture. I figure it out upon live I beg. And me and Akeem buy our furniture. I know them things that play for your mind. If you say blood clot, Rosealee I move. And as much as Akeem no want her, I like the big batty girl more than she can feel battle a little bit. As much as I like the big batty girl I don't want her. Because I fear bottom look a blood clot bit. I much as Akeem like the big batty girl and I don't want her. Because Rosealee bottom little bit. When she move, I went in at the furniture store. I say, Akeem in there with her, you know. And when me move, I'm not going to buy my bed. I say, figure it out. Tell the people I'm Dyema. Tell them. So when you move, nobody look on you. We don't even know if you don't even know if you're alive. And I eat bun you. Cause the attention me I get more than you. Cause the boy will come here and show me something me not, but you see, I not talk. If you are moving and a boy are moving your things in your house, if you can come see it. That's a wow. But some him for taking praises, of course, I moving every blood clot in this. Fix it up. Everything. Yeah. Me love him, me fuck. Me not care. I when me want me still gonna love him and appreciate him. Me not give two fuck. When me move, I don't lift a finger. When me move, me lift a finger. And him and him friend them come and them wipe down and tidy down on every blood clotting. And when you move, you not even figure it out. You don't have a video with figure it out to help you move as your man will say why you can your shape that play for your brains. The things that the boy do play on your brains. Can you tell us that you forget can your shape good? That cause the problem. And him no want me cause the problem. Cause man can't tell the world them don't want to show you something different when you can't believe as some man say. I know boy when me young and a fuck boy. Enough blood clot boy tell me say them wouldn't blood clot fuck me. And when 1, 2, 3 o'clock time come and them are knock down my door, ring down my phone and them obsessed and I can't go in my house. As some man stay. A boy can't tell the world them don't want to tell the world that. It's so when different time come, yeah, everything that the world him want. Till when them can't fight him feelings and when them start to nobody around put her, you know. When them start to fist them can't fight him feelings and when I tell him friends, yo, ever used to style her, let go that. Can't hide him feelings no more. Hide them feelings. Dyema the boy no want you. Him not want you. Remember if Akeem don't buy me a suit, you don't get a blood clot fruit. If Akeem don't come go buy a grape, you don't get a plant. Remember you know how should they live in her? Boy want you? I when boy fuck your boy no want you. I when boy fuck your boy no blood clot want you. Come talk the goodness where the blood clot boy do. My first court date he was there. Them a lock me up them in the dead and me move him do all of this. Buy all when video shoot him buy all clothes. Him put on my dress. The boy will lotion my blood clot which I him put on my slippers. I see what I see and you can't blind me with lies. Suck your mama where Anna strip me know what kind of disease she have. It do all I wanna have it. Mad this when you find can be better when foot as well mad.